Hi, I'm Marcel from Tyger Auto, and today we're going to show you guys how to install our T3 soft tri-fold tonneau cover on a Jeep Gladiator. Tyger's T3 soft tonneau covers are easy to install and are a great value for both first-time users and people who are familiar with tonneau covers. With that being said, let's start the installation. Start by checking all the parts and hardware are accounted for. If needed, first apply the Weatherstrip to the front rail so that it is level and flush with the sides. We'll circle back to this later. Then unbuckle and unfold the cover over the bed. Adjust the cover to make sure that it's evenly spaced on all three sides. Now fold back the cover so we can start applying the clamps. There are 3 pairs of clamps on this cover: front clamps, safety clamps, and the rear latches. For specific models with utility tracks installed, which includes the Gladiator, Tyger tonneau covers do come with these additional special brackets for the clamps to work, so make sure you follow the instructions and install them before doing the clamps. We begin with the front clamps. Pull down the clamp from the bottom of the cover. Apply pads on the vehicle surface to protect the paint. Hook the bed rail lip all the way into the jaw groove and start tightening the clamp knob until it's snug. If you have a Type A or B bed liner installed that covers any part of the bed rail lip, follow the instructions to learn how to cut out a notch to allow the clamp to bite into. Moving on to the safety clamp, same thing. Hook the clamp into the lip and tighten the knob. Onto the rear latch. Go ahead and lower it from the bottom of the cover. Now listen carefully on how to apply the rear latches to get the tightest fit. First, pull down the latch from the bottom of the cover and lower the handle position by rotating it. Then hold up the handle beyond 90 degrees to continue adjusting its vertical position. The optimal position is where the deepest part of the jaw groove being leveled with the lip of the bed rail while you keep the handle up. Then with the other hand pressed down on the bed cover corner, hook the jaw of the bed rail lip and crank the handle down to lock it into position. If you feel that the latch is loose, lift up on the handle and adjust it until you achieve a tighter fit. Now check to see if you can close the tailgate. After that, open the tailgate again and look for any daylight showing in the front or the side rail area. If needed, apply additional layers of Weatherstrip to fill any remaining gaps. Once you're happy with the result, release the latch and set the handle back into the groove on the bottom of the cover and fold it up. Use this buckle to stabilize the cover.